I've got a Nissan Murano and I've been having issues with the gas pedal. When I push it, nothing happens. It'll take up to even 10 seconds sometimes for it to finally accelerate. So I think I found the issue. I'm gonna show you what it is. Now this hose right here is called the air intake hose. And it consists of this piece here, which is attached to the hose. And the hose attaches to this piece, which is the top of the air filter. And then it attaches on the back end to this piece. But let me show you what the issue is that I found. I'm gonna zoom in and we'll pull on the hose. You see that crack right there? There's a big crack in the back of the hose. So I got a new one coming in and we're gonna replace it. Well, it's been a few days and I got the replacement part in, as you can see. There's a few things I gotta disconnect. There's the piece right here that is connected to the hose. I'm gonna take that out. And then I need to get this hose off of this big piece right here, whatever that's called, I don't even know. Oh, and there's a couple of hose clamps I gotta loosen to get the whole thing off of there. So let me go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off first. Now I just happen to have these hose clamp pliers. I bought them for another job on a completely different car. So I'm gonna go ahead and clamp onto this piece. There we go. But this piece back here, I'm gonna just pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these hose clamps up. I'm just going to try to get this piece off. There, get that side off. Sorry if it's blurry. Let me go ahead and get the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen the air filter top. Might help me be able to get to it better. There. Alright, here it is. So there's the piece. As you can see, in the meantime, I had put some gaffer tape on it just to cover that hole. And it's been acting a lot better since I covered the hole up. Alright, now all I gotta do now is just reverse what I just did, so I gotta try to fit this thing on there. Go ahead and loosen the hose clamp a little bit. There, got it on. So let me see if I can get this piece on this side. Oh yeah, it slid right on there. Look at that. I'm gonna try to get the air filter top back on. There. Now, go ahead and tighten these hose clamps. Do the other side now. Alright, that hose clamp's tight, so I'm going to just take this piece and put it right back in here. Just push it until it kind of stays in there. Yes, in there. Right, so this should be the last part. There we go. And loosen it. There. Man, I can't believe how easy that was. Now, if you want to test it first before you buy the part, you can put tape on it like I did and just see if the problem goes away. It did for me, so I know the part's probably the actual fix for this issue. And it only cost me 30 bucks. I'll put a link to the part in the description, and I'll put a link to these hose clamp pliers as well. These are the cheapo brand, but they work just fine. If this fixed the issue for you, just let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear about it. And if it was helpful in any way at all, just give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. See you next time. Bye.